Topic: How can I adopt an Akita from a rescue? Adopting a dog is a wonderful decision that not only brings joy and happiness to your life, but also saves a life. In this article, we will focus on adopting an Akita from a rescue. The Akita breed is known for its loyalty, intelligence, and protective nature, making them a popular choice among dog lovers. By adopting an Akita from a rescue, not only are you providing a loving home for a deserving dog, but you are also contributing to the rescue community. Let's explore the steps you can take to adopt an Akita from a rescue. 1. Research different Akita rescues. To begin your journey of adopting an Akita, start by researching and identifying reputable Akita rescues in your area. Look for rescues that have a good reputation, transparent adoption policies, and a solid track record of successful placements. Reading reviews, reaching out to other dog owners, and joining online forums dedicated to Akita rescues can provide valuable insights and recommendations. 2. Contact the rescues. Once you have compiled a list of potential Akita rescues, the next step is to contact them. Most rescues have websites with contact information or online forms to inquire about adoption. Reach out to the rescues and express your interest in adopting an Akita. Some rescues may have waiting lists, so it's crucial to start the process early. 3. Complete an application. After contacting the rescues, you will be required to fill out an adoption application. These applications are designed to help the rescues determine whether you are a good fit for an Akita and if the breed matches your lifestyle. Questions may cover topics like your experience with dogs, living arrangements, availability, and even financial capabilities to ensure you can provide for the dog's needs. 4. Home visit. In many cases, rescues will conduct a home visit before finalizing the adoption. This is done to assess the living conditions and ensure that the environment is suitable for an Akita. During the home visit, they will look for things like fence security, appropriate space, and safe surroundings. It's essential to make sure your home is dog-proofed and equipped with everything an Akita might need, such as food, water bowls, toys, and a cozy bed. 5. Meet the Akita. Once you have passed the application and home visit stage, it's time to meet the Akita you are interested in adopting. Rescues may organize a meet and greet, allowing you to interact with the dog and evaluate compatibility. Observing the Akita's behavior, temperament, and any particular needs they may have is crucial during this stage. It's also an opportunity for the rescue team to guide you on handling an Akita and answer any questions you may have. 6. Adoption fee and paperwork. If the meet and greet go well, and both you and the rescue believe it is a match, the adoption fee will be discussed, and the necessary paperwork will be completed. The adoption fee varies depending on the rescue and may cover medical expenses, microchipping, vaccinations, and spaying/neutering. It's important to understand the financial commitment involved in adopting an Akita and ensure you are prepared for it. 7. Post-adoption support. After bringing your new Akita home, it's essential to remember that the adoption process doesn't end there. Rescues often provide post-adoption support, including resources, training recommendations, and advice on handling challenges that may arise. Taking advantage of this support can help ensure a smooth transition for both you and your Akita. Adopting an Akita from a rescue is a rewarding experience that brings a lifetime of love and companionship. By following these steps, doing thorough research, and working with reputable rescues, you can give an abandoned Akita a second chance at a happy life. Remember, adoption is a commitment, and it's important to be prepared for the responsibility. So, if you're ready to welcome an Akita into your life, reach out to a rescue today and make a difference